You're watching an Involve Me tutorial on email validation options. Collecting real leads is valuable, and sometimes you might want to make sure that the leads that you collect are high quality by preventing your participants from submitting disposable, personal, or invalid emails. You can do this by clicking on the configure page right here on the top, and then proceed to scroll all the way down to personal data. To tailor with which email addresses you accept, you have these 4 boxes to check. On top of these 4 boxes, Involve Me automatically checks all email addresses for valid formatting and the ability to receive emails. And these are the 4 extra options that you have available. You could block users from within the EU. This would be particularly useful if your projects aren't compliant with GDPR or you're unsure if they are. If you choose to block users from the EU, this would be the screen that they would be met with if they tried to fill in your project. You could prevent duplicate email entries. This prevents participants from submitting more than one entry for your project using the same email address. Next, you cannot accept disposable email addresses. Disposable emails, or burner emails, can mean that your participants won't receive anything from you. You can block this to make sure that your audience receive the custom email that you put a lot of effort into. And finally, you can choose to not accept personal email addresses. By toggling this, participants won't be able to use their personal emails from, for example, Gmail or Hotmail, and they will need to input their work email addresses instead. Once you know which options you want to toggle, just click on Update Settings. As a side note, you can toggle these options on and off as you choose while your project is live and running. And this is the error message that your users get if they fill in an incorrect email address. If you need to, you can also change the language of this pop-up by again going to your project settings inside of your Configure tab, and right at the top, you change the default language from English into the language you need to. And now you know how to use email validation options within Involve Me. For more support, go to help.involve.me. Good luck getting involved!